security is doing exactly the thing that it's bringing the information into the real world and on top of the real things. So you don't have to look away, you don't have to try to find a text related to this particular thing that you are going to do, but it shows you right away on top of the device. For customer, it's definitely the productivity that increases with these solutions because, you can imagine if you don't have the right information, if you need to look into the manuals, you might spend minutes, hours troubleshooting or finding the information and troubleshooting afterwards. If you have this solution, you have the answer typically in a matter of seconds, maximum minutes. For our applications, actually, we have calculated the possible savings to 332 tons of CO2 per year. That's not negligible for sure.